Hi guys, so I've had a couple of questions about how to work out question 4 and 5 from the summary questions on page 249 of the OCR textbook. So this is the AS textbook. So question 4, we're given two mass spectra and it says identify the fragments of MZ29 and MZ31 formed from the molecular ion of butan-1-ol. So I've just got some scrap paper here. First thing to do, let's sketch the structure of butan-1-ol. Okay. So our fragments have to add up to 29 and 31. Okay, so let's add these atoms here. So I'm just going to use the mass numbers from the periodic table. Carbon is 12, so 12 plus 16 plus 3 for the hydrogens, 31. So that's our fragment at 31, so that's CH2OH. And then our other one is at 29. So let's try from over here. So we've got two carbons at 12, so that's 24, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hydrogens, so 24 plus 5, that is indeed 29. So that fragment must be CH3, CH2 plus. So it's just trial and error. As long as it adds up and it's a sensible combination of the atoms in the molecule, so they're arranged in the way that they were in the molecule before it broke into pieces, then that is the answer. Okay, then question 5, the mass spectrum of the ketone hexantuone. So let's start in the same way again. Let's sketch the molecule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 on. So that's hexantuone. Suggest two possible structures for the fragment ion at MZ43. Okay, so CH3 at the end, that adds up to 15, plus another 12, plus 16 for the oxygen. Let's add that up. So 15 plus 12 plus 16 gives 43. So that's one of them. So one fragment ion is CH3CO+. Now it says we've got two possible structures for this fragment ion. So let's try the other side. So here we've got 15 for the CH3, plus 12, 13, 14, so 15 plus 14, that's 29. Plus another 14 from the CH2. What does that give us? 29 plus 14, 43. So the other fragment ion is CH2, CH2, CH3. So that is the answer to 5A. Then finally, just write down the questions. 5B, write an equation for the formation of each structure from the molecular ion. Okay, so what we do is we write out hexantuone in structural formulae, so that's CH3CO. So remember, this could be carbon 2 or that could be carbon 2, so you might have put your ketone group there or there. So I'm just going to write it the way I've done it. CH2, 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 CH3. Or we can simplify this bit by doing CH2 brackets and 3. Then we don't have to write this 3 times. It's up to you. So that's our molecular ion. So the whole molecule together before it gets broken up. And then we're going to form this fragment ion first. So CH3CO. So that's our ion. It's got a positive charge. So the rest of the molecule, we just write that out. Then since this is a positive ion, the other bit of the molecule, the other fragment, must be a radical with an unpaired electron. So CH2, 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 CH3, radical. There we go. So see if you can have a go at writing the equation for the formation of this fragment ion as well. So it's the same thing. We start off with the molecular ion. We form the fragment, which is going to be this one this time. And then the rest of the molecule, that will be the radical. Hope that was helpful.